Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your friends list not loading on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump to the video right now. So the first thing to do, if your friends list is not loading, go ahead and press the PlayStation button, open up the quick menu, and then scroll on over to Power. And then go to Turn Off PlayStation 5 and close all games and applications. Now, this fixed an issue where it said my friends have been offline for a month, even though they were currently online and not appearing away or offline. So go ahead and try that. The next thing we want to go ahead and do is go up to Settings and select this. And then go on down to Users and Accounts. Then scroll on down to where it says Other and go to the right and go to Sign Out right here. Now, you'll need your email address and password to sign back in, but just simply sign over your account and then re-log back in. Maybe there's an issue with this. Now let's back out of here. And then what we want to go to is the network right here and select this. Then go on down to Settings, go to the right and go to Set Up Internet Connection. Now under here, find your currently connected internet. So mine is wired LAN 1. I'm going to press Options on it and then go to Advanced Settings. Then scroll on down to DNS settings and select manual now. Then for the primary DNS, type this in, 8.8.8.8. Then go to the secondary DNS and type this in, 8.8.4.4. Then scroll on down to MTU settings and select manual. And then go to MTU and type in 1472 and go to OK. And just connect back to the network. And the last two things I'm going to suggest is simply to unplug your modem and router and leave those unplugged for at least 1 minute. And then check the status of PlayStation Network under here as well. Maybe PlayStation Network is down and this is the reason why nothing is loading. So it says all services are up and running. If the PlayStation Network was down, maybe like gaming and social would be orange, or there would be like an X next to it. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.